In a world caught between science and political storms, Walter Boas emerged as a physicist whose journey spanned 2 continents, 2 wars, and a legacy of unwavering dedication to metallurgy and education. Born in Berlin in 1904, Walter studied at the University of Berlin and earned his doctorate in 1928. He specialized in metallurgy and physics, laying the foundation for a lifetime of contributions to materials science. As Nazi ideology spread through Germany, Boas, being Jewish, was forced to flee. In 1938 he found refuge in Australia, where his second chapter began. In Melbourne he became a physicist at CSIRO and later reader in physics at the University of Melbourne. His focus on deformation of metals helped advance Australia's understanding of material strength and behavior. Boas wasn't just a researcher. He was an exceptional teacher. His book became a staple for students worldwide, combining theory with practical knowledge. To honor his legacy, the Walter Boas Medal was established by the Australian Institute of Physics, awarded annually to outstanding physicists across Australia. Walter Boas didn't just survive history, he shaped it. Through teaching, research, and courage, he transformed a life uprooted by war into a legacy rooted in knowledge. Please feel free to share if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel Atomic Gear for more scientific content.